Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the 2025 upgraded TV antenna from NEXLOV. A device that promises to revolutionize how you watch television without paying for cable. Whether you're looking to cut costs or simply want access to free local channels, this antenna claims to deliver impressive range, signal strength, and picture quality. So, let's break it down. This antenna is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, giving it flexibility no matter your living space. What immediately stands out is the advertised 2,800+ mile range reception. This means that theoretically, it can pick up distant signals with clarity, providing access to hundreds of HDTV channels, from ABC, CBS, NBC, and PBS to Fox, Univision, and CW. It's compatible with smart TVs and even older digital TVs when paired with a set-top box. One of the major features of this antenna is its 360-degree reception design. Unlike traditional antennas that need precise placement and direction, this antenna can pick up signals from multiple directions at once. This design aims to give a more stable, consistent picture with less interference or static, which is great for those in areas with challenging reception. The unit comes with an 18-foot coaxial cable, allowing you to position the antenna wherever reception is best without worrying about being too close to your TV. Installation is straightforward. Connect the coaxial cable to your TV or set-top box. Configure the antenna through your TV settings, and start scanning for channels. While it's important to note that the USB adapter is not included, the setup process is still simple enough for most users. Design-wise, this antenna sports a sleek black finish and a flat profile. It can sit on a desktop, be mounted on a wall, or even placed near a window. Its compact design means it won't take up unnecessary space or clash with your home decor, making it a subtle but functional addition to any room. In terms of performance, this antenna supports 4K, 8K, and 1080p resolutions, so you're getting high-definition content without the extra cost. The built-in amplifier helps boost weak signals, aiming to reduce noise and improve overall picture quality. For households looking to save money, NEXLOV claims that switching to this antenna could save you thousands per year compared to cable subscriptions. NEXLOV also emphasizes their support, promising customer service responses within 24 hours if you encounter any problems. This kind of support can be especially valuable for first-time users or those who need guidance with placement for optimal reception. So, who is this antenna for? If you live in an area with decent over-the-air signals, want to cut cable costs, or need a flexible antenna that works in multiple rooms or even outdoors, the 2025 upgraded TV antenna is worth considering. Its long-range capabilities, easy installation, and compatibility with high-definition content make it a compelling choice for cord cutters. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in free HD television and a versatile antenna solution, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews. See you in the next video.